Before we dive deep into algebra, we need to meet some of the most important characters in math. Integers. Integers are like whole numbers, but they also include the negatives. Think of them as numbers with attitude. Without integers, we'd be lost in algebra. They're used in counting, measuring changes, calculating debts, and even the weather. Here's the cheat sheet. Adding a positive? Go right. Adding a negative? Go left. Subtracting? Flip the sign, then add. However, we'll talk more about that in our upcoming videos. So now you've met the integers, positive, negative, and zero. You are now ready to power up your algebra game. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe for more.